I'm Michelle Reines. I'm the author of the book From Bad to Badass Leader and the founder of MDR Coaching and Consulting, Inc. and the Badass Leader brand, which, as you can tell from its cover, it's rather unconventional. We're in beautiful Marco Island, Florida. Spectacular. Time to be down here in December. And I was invited by Terrence and Maura to keynote two main events. One of my favorite experiences that has happened in the couple of days that I've been here really were about conversations that I had after my first two keynotes. I had one individual came up to me really teary-eyed and just so appreciative of the fact that I was willing to be vulnerable and get up on stage and talk about my missteps and how that really impacted her and how she's relating in her own struggle of the people parts. And then I had several gentlemen that came up to me afterwards saying, you know, gosh, I really am an ass, and I need to do something about that because it's not serving my team, and that is what's getting in my way. And so they were really excited and passionate to read this book and to go back and work on themselves. You know, I say, you know, stop, drop, take a selfie. That's lesson 2 in the book. And I was very intentional when I wrote it. I wanted to appeal to the invisible heroes, the essential workers behind the scenes that are out there building our world and making it a better place for us all, that oftentimes only are thought of when something goes wrong. And they're in high stress positions where perfection is the norm. That's the expectation. And so I wanted to give them a resource to help them with the people parts, because oftentimes what I hear is that's what keeps them up at night. And so this journey should be fun for them, and leadership should be fun. It should be easy, and building badass teams is, you know, our report card on how well we show up as leaders. And so the outcome that you want to achieve is to be able to build a badass team around you, but in order to do that, you must first become a badass leader. Yeah, so if people are interested in learning more and continuing their journey, I invite them to visit us at badassleader.com. I hope that they'll connect with me on LinkedIn, Instagram, because I would love to help support them on their successful journey and also be a resource for them if they have any questions. Starts with a book. Yeah, get the book. That would be a great place to start.